Tap the map to start the adventure. Remove the dust from the map to see the road to the treasure. Swipe your finger on the map to now we know where to go.
All the kittens want to go on an adventure.
Tap the cat you want to play with. You can overcome everything when a friend is by your side. Let's pack things for our adventure. Lifesaver. This is it. Diving suit. Right.
Spade.
Right. Fishing rod. Well done. Hand basket. Hooray! Treasure map. Hooray! Bucket. This is it. You made it. Now let's prepare the ship. The ship will be ready to sail in a few moments. Let's get the ladder away. Heave up the anchor. Put a friend at the controls of the ship. Help the cat to run the flag up. Great! Now it's time to set off for adventures. Be wide awake while in the sea. Oh, there's an iceberg ahead. Tap the obstacle to remove it. Careful, logs are ahead. Tap the obstacle to remove it. Oh, there's an iceberg ahead. The waves are strong. Don't let the ship overturn. Tap that part of the ship which is above the water. Careful, logs are ahead. Tap the obstacle to remove it. Rocks are ahead. Tap the obstacle to remove it. Oh, there's an iceberg ahead. Tap the obstacle to remove it. Treasure is closer now. Let's clean the whale from seashells and seaweed. Swipe on the whale to remove seashells and seaweed. A little more. And the whale looks pretty now. Keep the seagulls away and put the burgers into the handbasket. This is it. Great! What a nice burger! Hooray! Now the cats can have their lunch.
Meow, meow, meow.